Life comes at you fast. The noise, the confusion, the unexpected. At Bryson Gillette, we don't just stand by. We step in, roll up our sleeves, build a plan, find clarity in the chaos. We strategize, we fight, we win. Together.
Automatic voter registration is on the ballot.
We're your teammates, your coaches, your champions. Your calm in the storm. We've been tested in the headlines, in the heat, in the moments that matter most. And we bring that experience to you. Every challenge, every time. Because when it all feels like too much, too fast, too loud, too uncertain, Bryson Gillette is just right.